Ever clicked a perfect selfie and wished you could use it for official documents? I wish I could use this for my passport. Now you can, with Cutout.pro. Cutout.pro is an AI-powered tool that magically transforms your casual photos into passport-sized ones. Just upload your photo and watch as it instantly gives you a passport-ready photo. Not just that. Want a different background? No problem. From scenic parks to plain white, choose whatever suits your needs. And hey, ever thought of changing your outfit color without actually changing it? With Cutout.pro, switch up your look in seconds. With its intuitive interface, Cutout.pro offers a range of features, ensuring your photos are not just compliant but also fabulous. Who knew? Getting a passport photo could be this fun and easy. With Cutout.pro, it's not just about compliance, it's about style. Try it out now. Cutout.pro, where AI meets artistry. Visit now. You can also do various other things with Cutout.pro. Just check them out here. The link to the website will be given in the description below. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more such interesting videos about AI tools.